This is an open challenge to the Chinese. They understand this, you guys don't understand. So take the challenge and we'll talk about it. I'm going to challenge them. I can't afford it till Yes Bank gives me a loan. And how much? You have to say that. You can't just keep saying yes. Are you giving it to me in the billions that you mentioned? All the ladies of the world, come forth and exploit me. I'm waiting to be exploited. I have 90% more to give. Don't remind Boni ji and me of expensive films, please. Thank you very much and a very good evening to everybody. Thank you very much for having me at ASSOCHAM, and thank you, Dud Saab, for calling me. And thank you, Rana ji, for explaining to us stuff that I really don't understand, especially the zeros and the billions that he mentioned. If I sat down to count the zeros and the billions that I may make one day,
That will be 007.
yeah, that's the only zero I understand. But when we talk about made in India, we talk about the kind of stuff we do in this country. Somewhere, perhaps a little selfishly so, or self-absorbedly so, I do feel the Indian film industry does stand for something very specifically and beautifully made in India. It does take us across borders. It tells people about our cultures, talks to them about our music, and somewhere down the line spreads the word of what India stands for in its own, sometimes mad, sometimes cool, sometimes colorful, and sometimes perhaps a little over the top way. So thank you very much for showing this interest. We all from the film industry, on behalf of being someone on stage, a very small part, little cog in the wheel of this great film industry that has been going on for the last 100 years. I thank you on behalf of the film industry for taking time out, all you leaders, to tell us what is the way forward. And yes, perhaps we do work for pittances, we do work small time, perhaps we do things which are not as big as these wonderful businessmen who see the world from a different eye point than we do. But we will learn from this. So thank you very much. Thank you for introducing me to the concept of DICE, as Rana Kapoor said. DICE, right? Yeah. He says this, yeah, this is cool, so I understand. This I understand. DICE I understand in my own way. I just want...
Dice needs to be elaborated.
I'll elaborate, yeah. I like girls to call me darling. D is for that. I want to be interesting to girls. C, I want to be really the coolest guy for girls. And E, I should have eyes so I can pataw any girl that I want. That's the DICE I understand. And inshallah, one day this DICE will make me on the billions that you're talking about. We will get out of, when you are creative, there are times and spaces where you do sometimes neglect the business, and perhaps we don't have the overview that all of you world leaders of businesses from India have, but it makes us feel very important, makes us feel extremely humble that you should consider us, like you said, a very small business of about 6,500 crores or maybe just about 7,000 crores, smaller even to television, where we all work hard, my friends here, and we try to keep the culture going in our own happy way, through the Bollywood films, through the South Indian films, through the Punjabi films, the Odia films, through the Bihari films, through the Bengali films. And for years, this has been going on. And we hope sometime that yes, inshallah, one day we will crack the international code in terms of business and viewership. And we can only crack it when organizations like ASSOCHAM and leaders like Mr. Rana Kapoor, Dud Saab, so many amongst you, show us the path. So please do help us, explain to us the path to take, so that if we don't get the billions, at least we understand how many zeros are there in it. So thank you very much for this great evening. I hope you guys have a good dinner, have some wonderful drinks, and you have the most entertaining people with you, Dud Saab and Rana Kapoor Saab. So you don't need me for entertainment. So I'm trying to sound as serious I can. But God bless you and thank you for having me over. Thank you very much. This is an open challenge to the Chinese. They understand this, you guys don't understand. So take the challenge and we'll talk about it. I'm going to challenge them. I can't afford it till Yes Bank gives me a loan. And how much? You have to say that. You can't just keep saying yes. Are you giving it to me in the billions that you mentioned? All the ladies of the world, come forth and exploit me. I'm waiting to be exploited. I have 90% more to give. Don't remind Boni ji and me of expensive films, please.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscuitTV.